Good morning everyone. Standard 5 Mathemagic. Chapter number 8 Mapping Your Way. First, answer the following question the basis of the photo in this map given below. So this one photo here map and downside gives some question. First, indicate the India Gate in the map. So this one here. Name the road that you will cross on your way from Rashtrapati Bhavan of India Gate. The name the road Rashtrapati Bhavan, where the Rashtrapati Bhavan here, and Indian Gate. Where is the India Gate? That, yes. And now here to see to which one, that here how many Vijaya Chowk, Rafi Marg, Janpath and Mansingh Road. Now this one here India Gate. Now question number 3. Which is the measured road? Which is the nearest road Rashtrapati Bhavan? So which one? Rashtrapati Bhavan to here Rafi Marg. Now question number 4. Which is the farthest road National Stadium? That means Janpath. That means this one. Now here, what is the nearest place to Vijay Chowk? National Stadium, India Gate, Rashtrapati Bhavan and Mansingh. That means Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now question number 2. See this one given the map and downside given the question. The first here what says scale 1 semi is equal to 4 km. In the which direction the school located to the garden? Where the school here and where is the this one shopping mall market, railway station and this one garden. So here school and garden. So how many? So which say direction? That means this one. Which direction? Upper side north. So that means north direction. In which direction the seashore located to the garden? Located. Seashore. Where seashore? Here. So this one which? South. That means south direction. In which direction is the market located in the garden? Market where? So here. That means this one which direction? West. That means west direction. In which direction shopping mall located in the market? Shopping mall where? That means here. That means this one north direction. The which direction the railway station located to the garden? Railway station where? Here. And this one which direction? Direction east direction. Now which distance between the garden and school? Where garden? This one garden and school. So here see this one 2 km and this one 2 km. And this one here 2 km and this one 1 km. Then 2 plus 1. How many? 3 km total. And we know here 1 semi is equal to 4. So 3 semi is equal to how many? So 3 4s are 12. So answer 12 km. Now find the distance between the garden and school. This one complete. Now find the distance between the seashore and railway station. So we have seashore here and railway station here. So first this 3, then this 2. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1.5 that means 6.5 and plus 2.5 that is 6.5 that means 7 and plus 2 that means 9 and 9 4s are 36 kilometer. Now question number 8. What is the distance between garden and market? This one garden, this one market. Here 4. So 4 4s are 16 kilometer. Now question number 9. Find the distance between the school and shopping mall. So we are school, this one, and here say shopping mall. So that means here the 2 and 2. 2 plus 2, 8. 8. Here 2. So 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. 4 4s are 16 kilometer. Now question number 10. Which place the nearest the garden, shopping mall or market? So which one? That means shopping mall. This one. Now question number 3. Answer the following question from this one given map here. So only indicated the shortest road, the Kamu house and Mohit house to map. Kamu house and Mohit one shortcut road. Which one? That means here to here. Indicated the longest route of the Mohit's home to Kamus have? Longest road, that means here to go, then here. This one longest map. In how many Mohit and Kamus have and indicated the map? The first this one 1, now this one 2, now this one 3, and this one 4, and this type 5. So how many? 5. Now question number 4. Complete the following table. So 1 semi is equal to 1 kilometer, then 15 kilometer ho. Then semi how many? 15, because 1 same. Here 2 semi is equal to 1 kilometer. So kilometer 20. So semi double, that means 20 2s are 40. Here 1 kilometer to 45. Here 3, that means 45 into 3, that means 135 kilometer. 1 kilometer 1 by 2. 1 kilometer 100, and by 2, that means divided by 2, that means 15. 1 semi 50, that means here double. Here 1.5 kilometer, and here 1 semi. So semi how many? So 1.60 divided by 1.5 divided by 10. 0 0 cut, here point up. 15 6 are 40 semi. 1 semi is 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer this one. So 1 how many? So divided by 10, that means only 25 semi. That means answer 240 kilometer. Now question number 5. If 1 semi on the map saw 10 kilometer the ground, that the answer following question. 1 semi, that means 10 kilometer. Now first, what is the direction between Palanpur and Mehsana? So here Palanpur, near Mehsana. So here 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 7, and 7 into 10 70 kilometer. What is the distance between Mehsana and Adlat? Mehsana and Adlat. So here 2.5, 2 and 1.5. 2.5 and 1.5, that means 4 plus 2, that means 6. 6 into 10, that means 60 kilometer. Then what distance between Unja and Ahmedabad? Here Unja and Ahmedabad. So here 2, then 2.5 and 2. 2 plus 2 4, and plus 6.5 plus 1.5, that means 8, and plus 1 9, and here 10. 10 into 10, that means 100 kilometer. Now state distance between Nansan and Subhas Bridge. The Nansan here and Subhas Bridge, that means this one. So here 2 and 1.1 and plus 1. So 2 plus 3 and 4.5. 4.5 into 10, that means 45 kilometer. State the distance from Palanpur to Kalol. That means here Palanpur starting point to Kalol. That means here. So first how many? 5 plus 2 7, then 2.5 9.5, and then 2, that means 10.5. 11.5 into 10, that means 115 kilometer. Then which distance is more? Distance from Nansan to Unja and Kalol to Ahmedabad. So Nansan to Unja, that means Nansan to here Unja how many? Nansan to Unja 4.5, and Kalol to Ahmedabad, and here Kalol to Ahmedabad 15, and here 3 and 4.5. So which one? That means Nansan Unja. And which distance is less? Distance Kalol to Mehsana. Kalol to Mehsana 2.5 4.5, and here Nandlal to Adrat and Nandlal to Adrat. Which one? That means Nandlal to Adrat. Now question number 4a. Draw the picture 1 semi-square grid to 1.2 semi-square grid. So here that means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. The 12 square semi, and same type here draw, and here write. How many? The 3. And here this one same draw here. This one 24 square semi, and this one 6 square semi. And question number B. This one do your homework. Here see same to same, here draw. Same question number 2 also homework, same type here draw. And question number 7 also same type here. Which one? This one is here big map to same to same drawing. Now question number 8. Answer the following question from the map Indian given the below. The first, write the name 4 states state in the north. That means north side, upper side. The upper side is name Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab. Write the name 4 states the south. That means downside. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. And write the name for states which went to the east. It's Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram. And any state toward the west of Gujarat, that means no. Now question number 5. Which state will you have the cross the Rajasthan to Assam? That means Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Then which state will you have the cross the Gujarat and West Bengal? That means Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Which state you have to cross from Himachal Pradesh to Karnataka? That means Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Which state will you have to cross the Arunachal Pradesh and Maharashtra? That means Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Which state will the largest area? That means Rajasthan. Now how many times is the area Rajasthan to the area in the Punjab? That means 7 times. Which state from the following 8 unit times the area of Sikkim? Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh. That means Himachal Pradesh. Now question number 9 is not doing. And test yourself. So here this one choose the hospital at the dash side of post office. Here see home, bus station, temple, hospital and this one. The hospital dash side of post office which side? That means east side. The bus station is the dash side of home, here home, and bus station which side? Upper side. That means north side. Now home is the south side of dash, home is the south side, is the worst, mean south side, that means temple. Now question number 4, the distance between post office and hospital, how many? Post office to the hospital 4 and plus 2, that means 6 kilometers. And the distance between the bus station and temple, bus station and temple 3 plus 4, that means 4 kilometers. So now here chapter number 8 mapping your way completed.